Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the rand function in C and talk a little bit about some of its shortcomings. So I've included a standard header and I've created the main function. And to use the rand function, we're also going to have to include another header. So we're going to include the header stdlib.h. Okay. All right, we're going to go down here and we're going to create a little program. So we're going to create two integers. One is random number, and the other one we'll just call I. And we're going to do a for loop. That's why I created the I variable. So we're going to say for I equals 0, I is less than 10. So this loop will run 10 times because I'm going to increment I by 1 each time through. Okay. So we're going to say rand num equals this rand function, and we're going to use the modulo operator. So what this is going to do is it's going to divide the random number by 25 and give the remainder. So the remainder will be 0 through 24. So if we add 1, it will be 1 through 25. Okay. So we're going to get random numbers 1 through 25 when we do this. And then we're going to print f, and we're going to use the percentage d because we're passing in an integer, and I want a space here just to give some space in between. And then I'm going to pass, we're going to print the random number basically. Okay, outside of the for loop, I'm also going to do another printf and just do a new line character. And then at the end of this function, I'm going to return 0. So let's run this and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to open up eShell and I'm going to run this rand.c and let's output just rand. Okay, so now we've compiled it. Now let's run it and we get some random numbers. There is one issue with just using this rand function before we incorporate time elements and so on and so forth, is that if I run it again, I'm going to get the same numbers. And I run it again, I'm going to get the same random numbers. So it's not really random. In future videos, we're going to talk about how to solve this problem. But for right now, I wanted to introduce the rand function in C. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. If you haven't done so already, it really does help the channel grow. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. Have a great day.